Hello everyone. Do you think AI, ML and DL all are same? If you say yes, that is wrong. Let me explain why. Okay. AI is artificial intelligence. We are giving the intelligence to machine and we are getting the output. Okay. So AI is a big umbrella. Okay. So inside that AI, we have the ML, that is subset of AI. Okay. For example, in the traditional ways, how AI looks, developers are writing the things by own, like if else conditions or some other conditions, and they are predicting. Okay. For example, the email spam detection, we are all are know about that one. Previously, they given the keywords, and if that keyword is found in the email, it's automatically go for spam. Okay. Then we are going one step ahead, that is called machine learning. In this machine learning, what we are doing, we have a lot of algorithm. We are giving the structured data to the machine. Okay, structured data in the sense we have the features and the labeled data. Features means we are giving the input variables, and labeled data means it is output variable. Let's say same spam detection example. In this spam detection example, we are giving the input data features like email subject, uh, body content like this, and labeled data, whether it is spam or not, like that. We are giving 10,000 emails and labeled output for that one, and we are the new unseen email, it will predict whether it is spam or not. Okay. So in deep learning is one step, it is subset of ML. In this deep learning, we are using the neural network. Okay, in the neural network, we will learn deeply in upcoming videos. But I will tell simply, it has lot of layers inside. Okay, here also we have labeled data like ML during the training. Okay, but here the different is the features we are designing. Okay, in the machine learning models, but deep learning models, using the deep neural network layers, the features also decided by machine, and it will give the expected output. For this one, we can say uh, cat, dog, or some other animals we are feeding. Okay, based on each and everything, like four legs, and ears of dog, cat. So those patterns, it will identify, it will create the features, and it will finally found it is dog, it is cat, like that. So this is the main difference for AML TL. I hope you understand deeply. If you have any doubt, please comment. Please subscribe the channel.